So in this lesson 3, we are going to see types of system. We will just roughly see all the systems. First one is stable system, second one is unstable, and this is a neutrally stable system. Okay. So just a second. What is a stable system? To teach these three concepts to students, you required one ball and one plastic ball. Okay. So just understand this green one is bowl. Okay, just this is a bowl. Okay, any bowl you can take. Okay, and just place the ball inside the bowl. Okay, so this is like this. So this is a bowl and this one is ball. Any plastic ball you can take. So we'll see what is a stable system. So stable system, that means when a object it is in a equilibrium. That means now this ball is in equilibrium. Okay, and suppose if any small external force is applied to the object, if you give any external forces to this bowl, like suppose if you blow the bowl, okay, using some air or with anything, so what will happen, it will just go on this point or will move to this point. But after that time, whenever you stop the forces, external forces, that time it will go back to his normal position. Okay, that means in theoretical world we can say, so when an object it is in the equilibrium, okay, and small external forces applied to the object, then if the object come back to the equilibrium position, it is said to be a stable system. Okay, so now in this case we'll just place the ball on the inverted bowl. Okay, so this one is bowl and this one is ball. So what will happen, suppose if you apply the external forces on the bowl, it will fall off at any direction. That means it is a unstable. Okay, so in the theoretical language, or we can say in the physical term, we describe the unstable system as when an object is in a equilibrium and a small external force is applied on the object, then if the object doesn't come back to its equilibrium position, it is said to be an unstable system. Okay, now we will see the last one, naturally stable. Okay, so it's similar to, we can say, our unstable only. So this one is a small plate that we are using. This is our ball. So what will happen, suppose if you lift up this plate, what will happen, whenever you lift up this plate, the ball will move toward this side. Or suppose if you lift up this plate from this side, the ball will move to this side. What will happen, it will not stop over here, it will just fall down. Okay, so in theoretical language we will say it as when an object is in equilibrium and a small external force is applied to on the object, then if the object doesn't come back to its equilibrium position. What is equilibrium position? So suppose if the object it is that position, so it's a equilibrium position. Okay, so whenever you apply the force, after that you stop the force, or we can say that you remove that force, so ball should come to its equilibrium position. Okay, then ball should move, like come back to its equilibrium position. Okay, so it's not position, but it's become stable at the new position. Okay, so whenever your ball is fall down, so maybe on the land or any surface, it will just stable. So that's why it is called as a unstable, or we can say naturally stable.